Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians. This installation will take about 10 to 20 minutes to complete. To complete this repair, you will need an angled awl. To begin the installation, open the hood and disconnect the negative battery cable. Continue by removing the instrument panel cluster trim bezel. Next, insert the key into the ignition lock and turn it to the on position. Using a small angled awl or similar tool, press and hold the release tab on the ignition lock. This tab can be accessed by placing the angled awl through the dash panel opening to the right of the ignition switch. Then, using the key as an aid, pull the lock cylinder from the housing. To install the new lock cylinder, insert the key and turn it to the on position. Push the new lock cylinder into the housing. Verify free rotation of the new lock through all positions. Replace the instrument panel cluster trim bezel and reconnect the battery. Finally, perform the theft deterrent relearn procedure with the following steps.